In this video we'll be looking at estimation. Now this is a very useful tool used in real life as well as in your GCSE exams. So the aim of estimation is to make a complex equation like this look much easier. The way we do that is we have to round everything to one significant figure, because anything else will make it harder for yourself than you need it to be. So one significant figure makes it as easy as possible. Now we look at each of these numbers individually. So you can see here we have this, 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 and finally this one. And we analyse them each on their own. So the square root of 113, we can turn 113 by rounding that to one significant figure into 100, or the square root of 100. 24, again, I've explained significant figure rounding in another video, so if you're not 100% sure, I recommend you go watch that. 24 will become 20. 5.37 squared, well 5.37 can become 5 and we square that, and 4.87 again becomes 5. So you can see going from this step to this step makes it look a lot more friendly. So now we have to work it out. So the square root of 100, we know that is 10, add 20, and then 5 squared is 25, add 5 to that. So 10 plus 20 makes 30, 25 plus 5, and overall we get 1. Now what you can actually do at home is you can double check that with a calculator. It will be slightly different, but it won't be far off. So that's the whole aim of estimation, is you want an answer that is fairly similar to what it would be, but just a rough idea is often really helpful. So rather than just these complex calculations, which you might think, oh, that's not very helpful. Another example you may be given in a paper is an example like this. So, for example, a student goes out and buys 3 pens and 2 pencils, and these are what they cost. So for one pen is £1.74, and for a pencil is 54p. Now, how much did the student spend? So for 3 pens, we have to do 3 times £1.74, and for the pencils, we have to do 2 lots of 54 pence. Obviously in your head that is quite difficult to do. So what we can actually do is convert that into 3 times the £1.74, we can round up to £2, which makes it a lot easier. And the 2 times 54p, well, we can just do 50p. And all of a sudden we get £6 on the pens and £1 on the pencils, and then we just add those together. Overall it's going to be £7. Now, an extra follow-on question you are often asked in an estimation question in a paper is your estimation higher or lower than the actual cost? Now in this situation we've rounded this one upwards and this one down, so it might not be too obvious at first, but if we have a closer look, we've rounded this one up by 26p to get it to £2, and this one we've rounded down by 4p. So I think overall the estimation is going to be higher than what they actually spent because of the way we rounded it in that proportion. But thank you for watching, and I hope that helped.